Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to create 5paisa trading account for the trading perspective in India. You can use this process in your laptop and desktop screen, and let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So simply open any types of web browser and just enter here 5paisa. Click. So first link is display here. Start online share stock trading with fastest growing discount broker in India, 5paisa. Enjoy Demat account with zero brokerage charges. So simply click here. Such kind of website is display here. This application available on Android and iOS also. Look at this here. How to create account? Just simply type here your mobile number. Start. So I am receiving one OTP code here. I have no promo code now. Process. So now I am receiving one OTP in my mobile number. Yeah, I am receiving one OTP. So I am adding this OTP here like 4230. Enter. You can do same process, download the application and sign up, add your email address here. So simply I add my email address here. Again I am receiving one OTP on my register email address. So I open my email address and check, right, 9021. I receive the OTP. Continue. Add my PAN number here. So simply just I am adding here my PAN number, so my full name is automatically comes here. I add my date of birth here. Process. I have no promo code here. So simply select and proceed. It's need to add my bank detail here like account number and IFSC code. I'm adding here my bank account IFSC code. So this specific bank available on Gachibowli, Hyderabad. Verify middle name and Kite surname of my father. So I am add here my graduate, doctoral. I am working as a private sector. 0 to 5 lakhs. Optional. You can add here your national Indian date of birth, signature. After sometimes I upload this like signature, self, bank proof, related documents is mandatory, and then after finish the process, so 5paisa account is create and you can buy some shares. You can use as a trading perspective 5paisa.com application and website portal. It's very simple to create your account. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.